Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to fix your microphone on PC. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so it's best to start off to check and diagnose the actual sound of your microphone or your headset. So just check to see whether the headphone is at 100% for the audio. Just check to see if that's working. Of course, if it's muted and it's on an X like this, then that's another reason as to why it's not working. So that's one of the little faults. It's not really a fault, but it's more of a something that you can easily fix. Now, another thing that you can do is go into your settings, click on the system, and you should be able to get the sound up. Now, we're able to check our output sound, we're able to check our input sound, and you can see here everything's working fine. Our output's towards the headphone, and our input is towards the headphone as well. So you'll see on screen that our microphone is working perfectly fine. So that could be your other issue as well. So if it's set to microphone array or stereo mix, and if you are wearing a headset, then that could be the fault to it. Now, say nothing's gone completely right at all, you've tried the other two methods, the last resort would be going onto your actual device manager. Now, you'll see on screen that we should have an option there for sound. So we'll just go ahead and look for it. So you can see here there's sound. So there's a couple of options there from screen. So you've got AMD high definition audio device. Now it won't be the same thing. It's just more the fact that this computer itself runs on AMD. So you've got Realtek audio and you've got the hands-free AG audio. So what you can do is you can just click on it, right click on it, you can update the driver, you can uninstall the device as well. Same with the Realtek audio. So if you have your headphone here, you can update the driver or uninstall the device, and hopefully that should fix it. That'll just reboot everything, and go ahead and give your computer a restart. It should find the updated driver as well, and hopefully that should then fix your issue. So there you have it, guys. That's a couple of different methods in order to get your microphone or your headset working for PC. Hopefully this tutorial has helped. If it did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.